Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps to send a video to a group on WhatsApp web using your PC. Whether you're sharing a funny clip, an important file, or a memory you just captured, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it with the latest update. First, open your web browser and head over to WhatsApp web. If you haven't connected your phone before, you'll need to scan the QR code using your mobile WhatsApp app. Once that's done, you'll see all your chats appear on the screen just like they do on your phone. Now, find and click on the group you want to send the video to. This will open the chat window on the right-hand side. You can scroll through your messages, but for this tutorial, we'll focus on sending the video. Next, look for the little plus icon at the bottom of the chat next to the message box. Click on it and you'll see a few options pop up. Choose the one that says photos and videos. This will open a window where you can browse through your computer files. From here, choose the video you want to send. Once you've selected it, click open. The video will appear in the preview window so you can check if it's the right one. You can also add a caption if you'd like, maybe a short message or emojis to go along with it. Finally, hit send. WhatsApp web will upload and share your video directly in the group chat. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the video, this might take a moment. When it's done, everyone in the group will be able to view and play the video right away. And that's it. You've successfully sent a video to a group on WhatsApp web using your PC. It's quick, easy, and convenient. Perfect for when you're working at your desk and don't want to reach for your phone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.